What's up, everybody? I'm Joe Romo, and this is POHBOYS Garage. Hey, good morning, everybody. It's the next day. Last night the battery died and it was kind of getting late anyway, so we decided to take a break, call it a night. Oh, look, we got a little guest. What's up, Gus? How you doing, buddy? What's up? Look at the camera. Hee hee. Little buddy Gus. Here we go. Back inside. Gotta open up shop. Get some light in here. And start tinkering around with everything. As you saw the other day, we worked on the 240, the engine, putting it all back together. Boom, boom. But before we start the day, I'm gonna show you a little bit of goodies I got. You know, besides the little harness shield. But I was also swooped up a hydraulic e-brake right here. Install that into the 240. And then for the spoiler, ordered some pretty cool product from Wolf. Got these sick end plates right here. Let's see if you can see it right there. These things are sick. Woohoo! Things are awesome. So I gotta drill some holes right here, and it'll be the spoiler. That's gonna look really cool. And then, let's see what else we got. That's about it. All the little goodies. Can't wait to install them in the car. Gotta keep the festivities going with the little elf hat, but I'm gonna install it. I'll show you guys what we're gonna be doing. It's gonna be going right here, and then after I clean all this up right here, I need to take all this stuff off, cut right here, and then it'll go up, and it'll go over and through. So once I lower the car more and add more angle, once I start drifting, it's gonna tear it up, and to prevent it, just gotta install that guy. Tuck it up, and we'll be good. So the first thing I'm gonna need to do is pull out the big guns, the grinder, because we're gonna need to cut right here and right here so we could bring the harness up and over. Simple process, and I'll show you right now. So what I did right now is made just a few little cuts. Gonna chop those out, smooth it out so it doesn't poke the wiring harness, and then it'll be good. There we go. I took the outer skin off. All right there. Next thing to do, right there. Next thing to do is get the zip ties and zip tie it up. Ended up zip tying it up through right here. You got little holes right there. Got a hole or down there. You just zip tie it up, and it goes right over. So once we get those mad angles, it ain't gonna tear it up. Next thing, just add the plate, and that's good. It'll be solid. The cool thing about this is they already give you some hardware, some self-tapping screws right here. So that's awesome. Huge shout out to these guys. there you have it, folks. Installed the harness shield, self-topping screws. It guides it up this way. Have it up with the zip ties. I'm gonna spray this in a second with some black spray paint that I have so it doesn't rust. Voila. Looks super sick, love it. Big shout out to the guys at Auto Collect Storm for providing some pretty badass products. And I think I'm done for the evening. We're working on cars. We're gonna decorate the garage. All right here, we're gonna decorate it all. I'll mix some festive up in here. The ones out here? Oh, these ones are playing good. Got 1, 2, 3, 4 strands. That's it. Put them around somewhere.
I just do it all one strand.
All the way around?
Well, if there's color, it's gonna be too much to the thing.
A POHBOYS Christmas tree. The engine harness.
Car harness. Decorate the hoist.
Yeah, the hoist. What should I do first?
What should you do first? Kickflip. Bird?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah, give me the camera. Here. There's a dead bird. I don't know, right across the bird flu in here now.
It was only a matter of time. Bird shop? Yeah. No. Much Christmas. Do the color one around the tires.
What's up, Gus? There you have it. Looking good. Little decoration for the holiday spirit. See what it looks like with this light off right here. See if you can see anything. Oh, you kind of see. There you go. You can see, you probably can't see. Oh, we can. That looks cool. You can see almost everything. Just like the backlight, almost. And like right here, all creepy like.
Dark.
Yeah. There you have it. There's the motor, all decorative. Well, I think we're gonna call it a night. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you like these episodes, you like POHBOYS and everything we're kind of doing around here. Can't see anything right now. Do a kickflip. Alright guys, have a good one. Woohoo!